Folks, it's another beautiful day in southwest Trinidad, and we are here at the end of the Rody Carcass, just exploring the shoreline. Today is Indian Arrival Day, and remember our ancestors, the sacrifice they would have made and everything else, so that we can have a better life today. Good morning, folks. Neil here from Southwest Adventures. Today, as we celebrate Indian Arrival Day, we want to wish you all happy Indian Arrival Day. We think of our ancestors and the struggles and the sacrifice that they would have made so that we can have a better life today. It is remarkable. It is such a remarkable feat. And of course, they would have brought with them their culture, their music, their dance, their clothing, and their way of life, religion, everything else. And one thing we could say we are still proud of is that some of these things, tradition and cultures, and clothing and dance and music and everything else still exist today. So on the menu today, we're going to do some curry goat. So we have the curry down in the pot here already. And guess who'll be any curry today? Caleb, what's up? Caleb trying nothing, right? I'm just in the background here, taking in the scenes. Right. So what we cooking today with that? Some bus up shot, boy. What's going on here? Now all this tying into the Indian Arrival Day celebration, I will tell you why. Because this was something that was brought to us from our ancestors. Roti making. So you can let me know in the comments what kind of roti you like. We have sada roti, we have bus-up shot, dal puri. Is bus-up shot also called paratha as well? Yeah, we have paratha, we have aloo puri. Is it aloo bake or something you call it? Dosti roti. What they kill about pimento?
Yeah, pimento.
Kill about a nice pimento inside it. Right, so good. What do you think? I don't know if the water to the pot. Yes. So how much time you add water?
This is the third time.
Third time?
Yes.
So after the third water, what are you doing? You put in the meat?
I put the goat.
Alright, the goat. How do you say goat in Spanish again?
Cabra.
Cabra. Very good. I don't know how to say goat in Hindi, but I could probably let's find out and let you all know. But curry is one of those spices that we use for cooking here in Trinidad. And trust me, curry is excellent. I love my curry, but not everybody could cook a curry, folks. So we're going through the little process here as to how we make the curry. So we are allowing it to dry down for a little bit. And our goat here is properly well seasoned with things like shadow benny, sai, pudina thyme, garlic, cayenne pepper, pimento pepper, salt. And it's properly well marinated, as you can see. And we're ready for the curry. Yeah, ready for the curry. So what we add to the bus-up shot here is that we add a little bit of oil to it. And what's the reason for adding the oil? It's normally how it's done. Yeah. Good. And this is pimento from the garden right in the backyard there, folks. Look at that. It's kind of funny looking, but so what's gonna happen? We're gonna put the goat in now. Just kind of mixing it in there. Ready? Nice. Now you got the gas up here and only pot, boy.
Yeah.
Now, are you using some of the real traditional terms there, folks? Or you probably hear what you call a sapi. A sapi is really a kind of old cloth we just use to hold the pot so that it won't burn, So that's what we call a sapi riding. Right, so as today being Indian Arrival Day, we can using some of the real traditional terms from back in the days. Sapi. You ever hear terms like, yes, now, I will give you some other terms just now. But you probably hear terms like being puhar. Puhar is when what? You're doing things halfway. If your mother tell you you're puhar, if my mother don't tell me I am a puhar person, I don't know.
Yeah, wash up on this one.
Because this morning I wash her pot and I didn't do it good. So she telling me I am puhar. Anyway, so look at the texture, folks. It smells good already, yeah? Right, so we are making the roti now, the bus up shot, folks. Put some oil on it now. Usually there's a stick called a, is it a pujara?
Chara.
Puchara, yeah.
Stick
That
with
is used to apply, yeah, we used to apply the oil. And right, all you know this one here. This is a dabla. Yeah. You see dabla? Kile, you ever get legs to that?
Plenty time.
Really? You ever get legs to that dabla?
Yeah.
Hey boy. So it's called.
Put up like that.
What? You call that technique, boy? Wow. Huh? Like I myself doing something there. Look at the quality of this now, folks. So folks, this is what we're going to make the bus up shot. This is what we call the loya. So we're going through some terms, eh? Loya. And this is the chowki. Yes, this is the chowki here. And we're going to use that bela to roll the roti. And we know curry goat does go hand in hand with some nice anchar, mango anchar, folks, in the making as well. We have a little thing on the side too. This is some coconut sugar cake. Look at it. Yeah, man. Like the anchar, like it finished here. Yes, look the anchar right here, very nice mango anchar. Oh, we're in here with this thing here now. Let me see. Alright, good bubbling now. It is good like it hard, boy.
No, it's soft.
Soft?
It's going now.
Alright. I get up a 4-inch nail in this pot, boy. Lunch is served here at Southwest Adventures, man. Roti and curry, goat, chana, anchar. Hey, how does it taste, bro?
Very good.
Alright, so say happy ending arrival, eh?
Happy ending arrival
From Southwest Adventures.
from South Thailand.